back of a truck. Metal door sealed as the city blurs. Sirens keep rising while streets erupt. The runaway engine refuses to slow. Mira and Zoey are chasing behind, watching the trailer shake left and right. Cars scatter fast as they cut the line. They reach the bumper while sparks ignite. Traffic breaks open as danger grows. Both of them climb through the moving glow. Wind hits the roof of the speeding load. They push ahead toward the steel below. They cross step while the roads collide, holding the frame as it rolls through fire. Zoey unlocks while the bolts fight back. Mira keeps steady to stop the slide. Inside the dark, Rumi calls out weak. Heat from the brakes makes the whole truck scream. Hands pull the latch at the final beat, dragging her up from the metal seam. Rumi is shaking but still holds on. Both girls shield her from the trembling floor. Lights from the overpass flicker strong. The team is moving to the safer zone. The runaway truck keeps losing ground. Tires give out near the mountain turn. Rumi is carried away from sound, while Mira signals the cliff they near. Zoey jumps down to the driver's side, reaches the wheel through the shattered glass. Brakes fail again as the slopes divide. She pulls the lever to force it past. Dust fills the air where the engines drag. Mira and Rumi step far from crash. Zoey leaps out as the axles snap. All three escape before impact lands. The truck goes over the final ridge. Smoke rises high as the chassis splits. Rumi is breathing without the fear, held by the ones who refuse to quit. Sirens arrive at the broken lane. All three collapse on the asphalt plain, holding each other through heavy rain, knowing the chase will not end in vain. Rumi is safe on the quiet ground. Mira and Zoey stay closer around. City lights come after frantic sound, ending the run that almost shut down. Now they are standing beside the road, watching the wreck disappear below, holding the moment that pulled them close, knowing the story has reached its close. Who smiled easily. She followed him toward shimmering waves, not knowing he had hidden water caves. Gentle letter, burning shift in blue light, down to a base that stayed out of sight. He placed her near machines in a room, planning to test new models very soon. Deep connections inside her system sent a steady call. Mira caught it and warned Zoey fast. Both began their run. They moved quickly along the shoreline path, following signs that streamed beneath the tide. Every reading grew stronger with time, till the ocean base formed in their tracking map. Oh, they reached for the codes to open gates, scanning signals that linked them to him. Pressed through currents around the secret walls till they stood close to Rumi in the quiet lab. Through the pressure they kept their focus till she stood in sight. Every movement cleared through the dim glow, brought her back to safety. Rumi stayed calm as screens kept flashing. Jinwoo prepared a long series of tests. Mira arrived and called out her name. So he shut down the panels near the tanks. Jinwoo stepped back when systems flickered. Both girls reached in and guided Rumi out. All moved upward as currents softened, leaving the base that almost held her long. No more detours could turn their path back. They refused to slow. As true hunters, they cleared the last route, led her toward the light. They swam upward through widening beams, holding Rumi while ocean lights grew warm. Every ripple pushed gently ahead till the surface rose bright round their escape. Oh, they crossed from the deep toward open sky, guiding her close as calm waves met their steps. Through the last drift of fading ocean trails till reached land and since they lay on solid ground. All their footsteps steadied her breathing till the tide fell back. Every moment east from the log, bringing in peace around them. All walked home with Rumi beside them, held within warm light. Side by side they left behind ocean lines, feeling air grow gentle. Now the journey is closed with clarity. She is safe Rumi walked out from the lights of the show. The crowd spread wide and voices moved slow. A group stepped in and took her aside. They pulled her quick through alleys she could not hide. Zoe saw sparks from Rumi's necklace like she called Mira to check every spike. Jinwoo came in and opened the feed, tracing the streets through cameras they all could read. They kept moving through shifting night routes, searching for her trail. Every signal drew maps on their screens, guiding where to go. They ran forward across the busy roads, following lines that flashed on every map. Every reading pushed closer in range till a tower block formed in their tracking view. Oh, they followed the path through lifted doors, scanning corners that matched the camera feed. Pressed through hallways that stretched in quiet rooms till they found Rumi waiting in a guarded room. Through the tension they kept their timing till she stood in reach. Every shortcut cut through the dark maze brought her back to safety. Rumi stayed calm though doors were sealed tight. The group inside kept watching the night. Mira stepped in and called out her name. Zoe unlocked the panels near the frame. Jinwoo sent codes that opened the wall, guided both girls and led them inside. All moved fast as footsteps echoed far, leaving the block that almost trapped her long. No more detours could turn their path back. They refused to slow. As true hunters, they cleared the last route, led her toward the light. They rushed down gates closed with clarity. She is safe again.